Hi everyone. Today our group will present about PT Indo Food Strategies approach in creating an Indomie brand position in Nigerian society. My name Andrew Marcelino and my group members are Yeremias Budi Irawan, Amelia Felicia, and Sivanya Ezequiel.
PT Indofood Sukses Makmur Tbk was founded in the Republic of Indonesia under the name PT Panganjaya Inti Kusuma in 1990, which has various businesses that have been operating since the early 1980s. PT Indofood Sukses Makmur Tbk is committed to always producing quality, safe, and halal processed food products for consumption. Commitment that continues to be maintained by PT Indofood Sukses Makmur Tbk is proven by its good image through the title as the largest food and beverage company in Indonesia. Now, Indofood Sukses Makmur Tbk has been transformed into a total food solution company which is known as a leading company in every category of its business. PT Indofood Sukses Makmur Tbk has four strategic business groups that complement each other. There is consumer branded products, Bogasari, agribusiness, and distribution. Of the four strategic business groups, our team focused on research in consumer branded products, namely Indomie instant noodles, which offer practical solutions for consumer of all ages. Indomie is a brand that created by PT Indofood and is the pioneer of instant noodles in Indonesia and one of the largest instant noodle manufacturers in the world. Indomie is a raw noodle product that is divided into two variant products, dry-based noodles and soup-based noodles with various flavors that make Indomie unique and attractive. From the data taken from 2019 brand footprint, Indomie has become the most popular product for 7 consecutive years, and even Indomie ranks 8th as the most popular product in the world. So no wonder Indomie has become one of the brands entering the international market by having factories spread across the world with a total market of 80 countries. With 19 billion packs annual production capacity, it's no wonder that Indomie is favored by the world, one of which is Nigeria. In this study, our team chose Nigeria as an interesting research object for further research and analysis. We would like to know how the cultural challenge faced by PT Indofood and what approach strategy was taken by Indofood in creating a strong brand position in Nigerian society. Next, my friend will try to present some analysis and solutions to the issues regarding this matter.
The first discussion is Indomie in the Nigerian market. Before Indomie was very well known in Nigeria and opened a factory there, Indomie was first exported to Nigeria in 1988. In turnout of the Nigerian liked this product, and in 1995 the first Indomie production plant was opened in Nigeria. Under the auspices of the Prima Food. In fact, it is the first noodle factory in Nigeria and the largest in Africa. Indomie producer PT Indofood Sukses Makmur Tbk control about 74% of the local market share. The popularity of this noodle brand in Nigeria made an Indonesian citizen who had visited Nigeria surprised and amazed, because they estimate that around 60% to 80% of Nigerians have eaten Indomie. This original Indonesian noodle brand has also won consumer award as the best product in Nigeria. Indomie's success did not happen instantly, but there was a lucky factor in marketing Indomie product, because when it was first introduced in the late 80s, there were absolutely no competitor in Nigeria. In addition, Nigeria have never had a culture of eating noodle before, in contrast to residents of Asia and Western countries. The Nigeria economic crisis that occurred in 215 to 216 caused the price of Nigeria basic necessities to be expensive. This is major consideration for Nigeria in buying and choosing cheaper food options. During the crisis, the most significant price comparison was seen in the soaring price of rice, so that people preferred choose Indomie, which had a lower selling price in the market. This caused many Nigerians to switch to Indomie consumption, which made PT Indofood have to survive the crisis by increasing Indomie production from usual. Second, cultural challenge facing PT Indofood in Nigeria. The culture of the Nigerian people who are only accustomed to consume traditional food such as jollof rice, eforiro, and ogbono, which use nut as the main ingredient of this food, is a challenge for Davil Frema Food and Indofood, who need to introduce instant noodle from house to the community until Indomie product can be recognized by Nigeria people.
The marketing strategy implemented by PT Indofood created a strong position for the Indomie brand in Nigeria. First, promotion. Second, price. Third, slogan. Fourth, product customization. And the last is Indomie approach. Promotion. When Indomie first entered the Nigerian market, they had no competitors at all, making this product very foreign, especially noodle products in Nigeria. So they had to introduce it directly door to door, and claiming that Indomie had nutritional content more complete than rice. Second, price. Making Indomie price affordable for the people there. Dufil Prima Foods offers Indomie price which are fairly inexpensive, which is around 40,000, only 50,000 rupiah different from the price in Indonesia. Third, slogan. PT Indofood creates tagline or Indomie slogan which is unique and has become popular in Nigeria. It's no mama be like you, no noodles like Indomie, which means no butter like you, no noodles like Indomie. Fourth, product customization. Indomie wants to follow the taste of the people there so that it can be well received by the Nigerian people. Not only from flavor variants, but Indomie has also even changed its product packaging. In terms of packaging, Indomie makes much bigger packaging which automatically makes the contents of the product even more because Nigerians have a higher appetite than Indonesians. And last, Indomie approach. To gain children's sympathy, Indomie made the comic The Indomitables, a copy of the Fantastic Four, which is popular among Nigerian children. Indomie's contribution to Nigerian society. Indomie's popularity was finally used as a strategy for Nigeria to increase vaccination rate. This was reported by Nigeria's oldest newspaper, the Nigerian Tribune, Friday 2018, November 9. UNICEF and the Sokoto government created a program for parents of children aged 5 and under to provide their children with the fractional interreactive polio vaccine and the oral polio vaccine by providing free Indomie package for each child who is immunized, so that children volunteer to receive an immunization. This strategy has been a huge success, with the number of immunized children who have exceeded the target of 58,813. Indomie's contribution to Nigerian society. Indomie is used as a campaign tool to become a presidential candidate in the Nigerian country Babagana Kingibe. There are differences in the price of Indomie packaging with the face and the name of Babagana Kingibe with the regular one. The difference is quite significant from the initial retail price of Indomie on the market of 3,150 nairas per carton to 1,500 nairas per carton with this facial appearance. The Nigerian people were shocked by the appearance of the image and the name of Babagana Kingibe on instant noodle products. And this is an interesting strategy for Nigerians to make them buy more Indomie products.
The approach strategy used by PT Indofood in creating the position of the Indomie brand towards the Nigerian community. First, create a unique slogan to market its products. Second, put up a fairly cheap product price. Third, adapting the taste of the Nigerian community. Fourth, conducting door-to-door promotion to the Nigeria people. Fifth, take the Indomie approach. Therefore, it can be concluded that the approaching strategy which is used by PT Indofood in creating a strong brand position for Indomie is with adapting in matching the business model of the company to make it suitable with Nigerians' preference, and also contributing in every community activities. Its success in making Indomie to be a dominant food in the society, and even become the general name of instant noodle in Nigeria itself. It proves that PT Indofood is able to handle the challenge into a change for Indomie to be accepted by Nigerian people. And that's all our presentation. Thank you.